In this video, we discuss various methods of converting hexadecimal to strings in C#. It covers 4 methods: using Convert.ToString method, using toString method with Hexadecimal specifier, using String.Format method, and using the StringBuilder class. Hexadecimal is a base 16 number system that uses 16 different symbols to represent numbers. These symbols range from 0 to 9, and A to F, where A represents 10, and F represents 15. Method 1. Using Convert.ToString method. C# provides a built-in method called Convert.ToString that can be used to convert hexadecimal to strings. This method takes 2 arguments: the hexadecimal value, and the base, which in this case is 16. We first define the hexadecimal value as an integer, using the 0x prefix. Then, we use the Convert.ToString method to convert it to a string with a base of 16. Method 2. Using toString method with Hexadecimal specifier. Another way to convert hexadecimal to strings is to use the toString method of the integer type with the Hexadecimal specifier. We first define the hexadecimal value as an integer using the 0x prefix. Then, we use the toString method with the Hexadecimal specifier to convert it to a string. Method 3. Using String.Format method. Another way to convert hexadecimal to strings is to use the String.Format method. This method allows you to format a string by replacing placeholders with values. We first define the hexadecimal value as an integer using the 0x prefix. Then, we use the String.Format method to format a string with a placeholder, 0x, where 0 is the index of the argument to be replaced, and x is the format specifier for hexadecimal. Method 4. Using StringBuilder class. If you need to convert multiple hexadecimal values to strings, using the StringBuilder class can be more efficient. We first define an array of hexadecimal values. Then, we create a StringBuilder object to store the resulting string. We use a for each loop to iterate over each hexadecimal value, convert it to a string with the X.Format specifier, and append it to the StringBuilder object. Finally, we convert the StringBuilder object to a string.